All right, the number one question business owners should be asking themselves in 2026 is how do I add AI to my business? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an AI employee to automate your customer service if you have a Shopify store. So first things first is I'm going to go to Gyld.ai. I'm going to go ahead and create a custom AI employee. Now, if you don't want to do this, Gyld already has an employee called Sarah. She handles all Shopify orders. She can do this exact same thing. However, I'm going to create a custom one for this video. I'm going to call it Shopify Manager, just right here, and then I'm going to give it a system prompt. If you don't know what a system prompt, this is basically a job description. These are the do's, the don'ts, whatever you want it to do, tell it to do it right here. Give it a name, tell it this is your core competencies, all that good stuff. So I'm going to paste in one I already made already, and then we're going to go from there. Perfect. Okay. You are a Shopify manager. You handle the customer emails for Joe's Flip-Flops. You manage and answer questions about orders using Shopify and Gmail. Instructions, basically all of some good stuff. Never make up tracking numbers, never promise refunds without verifying eligibility, all that good stuff. You're gonna wanna make sure it's dialed so it doesn't just go wild and start offering refunds to anyone. Now, the next thing is we need to connect apps. So let's connect Shopify real quick, like that. And then I want it to be able to read my emails, so let's connect Gmail, just like that. Okay, we've added Gmail. There's 19 tools that this Shopify manager can do, as well as Shopify. Now, you can chat with it, verify it works, test it out real quick, give it some operations. For this video, I'm going to hurry and set up a workflow real quick with my Shopify manager. I'm going to call it customer service, just like that. And I'm going to build it from scratch. So the first step is a trigger. Trigger is like, when do we want this to start? I want it to be able to look through all my emails. So I'm going to choose new email message received trigger, add a trigger. Now you can do a time schedule every 30 minutes if you want. However, it's much more efficient just to do anytime someone sends you an email. So, however, I'm sure just like me, you guys get emails that are not fully related to work all the time. So we need to be able to filter through our emails. Let's add a condition right here. This is going to be if the email is regarding their Joe's Flip-Flops order. So it's going to read the email, the whole thing, and be like, okay, is this about Joe's? Yes or no? If no, don't do anything. Just be done. Don't respond. If yes, however, we want to add an action. So what we're going to do is we're going to connect this up right here. We're going to choose an action. I'm going to do get order, just because I want to make sure that we have everything the AI needs to make the right decision. So pull the order in for that customer by their email. So it's going to go ahead, pull the email that they just sent, like their email address, find out their order, get their order ID, and then give you all the information. Now, for a basic workflow, we're just going to have it send them an email back telling them the status of their order. So let's close that right here, just like that, and then go back to here, and then we're going to do draft reply. Let's do like that. I draft replies just because I can come in and check. Once you've checked a few of them, okay, that's perfect. Go ahead and switch this to just send email, and it will go and send the email to that user. Update the customer on the status of their order. They have any questions? Okay, boom. Now, this is the way it works. Any new email, check if it's about Joe's flip-flop order, pull in the order, pull in all the information, update the customer, ask if they need anything else. This is the most simple workflow. You can make this as complex or as simple as you want. You can route to other employees. Say they were asking, like if they can meet with you for something, you can go route to Peter. He's the calendar manager. Create your own calendar employee. Anything you want, super simple. But for this video, I just created an automated one task for Joe's Flip-Flops in less than 5 minutes. So go ahead, go to Gyld.ai, create your employees, and start automating your work.